Okay, hello students. I hope you all are keeping well. So we are dealing with the chapter representation of the geographical features. So today in this video we are going to learn about the drainage pattern. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's proceed. The drainage pattern, you all know that topographical map can also be used to understand and depict the drainage pattern of the area under the study. And you all know the meaning of the drainage pattern. It is a pattern formed by the river and its tributaries. Okay, so we have three main types of the drainage pattern. The number one is a dendritic drainage pattern. You all can see in the picture. Okay, here the main river and its tributaries form a patterns like a branches of the tree or branching tree. It is seen in the area of flat relief with a uniform rock type. Okay, here where we will get to see this type of drainage pattern, where there is a flat area with a uniform rock type. Okay, first type. Then second type, we have a radial drainage pattern. Okay, here the main rivers and the stream flow outward. You see the picture? Stream flow outward from a central point, okay, forming a pattern that looks like a spokes of a wheel. Okay, so keyword you will remember here, spokes of a wheel. This is mainly seen in the area where a conical mountain exits. Okay, so second type of pattern is drainage pattern. Then third one, we have a trellised drainage pattern. Here the main river flow in a rectangular pattern, as you can see in the picture. This is seen in areas where there is alternating bands of the hard rock and the soft rock. Okay, hard rock and the soft rock. Okay, forcing the rivers to flow along the bands of the soft rock. You see, most of the river have eroded the area where there is underlying or soft rock. Okay, and tributaries joined the main river at the right angle. You see, the tributaries have joined the river at the right angle. Okay, so this is the third type of the drainage pattern. Okay, so next we have another important topic in this chapter, that is the types of settlement. Okay, I think you all have already done this in your class 7, but still we will do for your revision. Okay, you all know that settlement are place where people live. Okay, settlement are of different types. Okay, they can be vary in size, from settlement consisting of your single dwellings, that is single house, to a major cities where million people live. Okay, and before going to the settlements, you must be aware about the two types of the two main components of the settlement, that is permanent settlement and one is temporary settlement. Okay, permanent settlements you all can understand, and temporary settlements, one example I would like to give: nomads or refugees. Okay, the nomads and refugees, they usually prefer the temporary settlement. Okay, on the basis of the settlement pattern or the shape of the settlement as seen from above, that is from the aerial photographs, settlement can be classified as nucleated, linear, and the dispersed settlement. Okay, we will look into one by one. Okay, first type is we have a nucleated settlement. You all know that nucleated or the cluster settlement, you see, nucleated or the cluster settlement are those in which all the houses and buildings are grouped close together. They are mainly found in the plains where the fertile soil is favorable for agriculture and where there are no physical restrictions to the outward growth of the settlement. Okay, nucleated settlements often developed around a prominent physical cultural features like a lake, a factory, hospitals. Consider all the basic infrastructure facilities. Okay, so on the topo sheet they appeared like this. Okay, if you have to find out on the topo sheet, they appear as several red square clumps. Okay, this type of the pattern you will get to see in the topo sheets for the nucleated settlement. Okay, then next one is linear. It is very easy, from the picture only you can understand the types of this settlement. Small settlements that occur along the linear, or the straight line. You see, straight line are called a linear settlement. They usually occur along the transport routes such as your river, roads, or railways, railway tracks. Okay, because of this, along with the small number of the houses, the settlement includes the shops, sometimes eateries, automobiles repair stations, and the petrol pump. Okay, in topo sheet can be seen on the such settlement can be seen on the topo sheet as a red square. I already told you red square represents settlement on the topo sheets. Okay, along the roads, just it actually the linear settlement as it appears on the topo sheet. Okay, in this way. Okay, now next we have a last type of the settlements, that is a dispersed settlements. From the picture only you can understand that dispersed, or it is a scattered settlement where houses and the farms are scattered over the wide area. Such settlement are usually found in remote or the rural mountains area. So in the topo sheets the settlement appear like this. Okay, far away, dispersed settlement as it appears on the topo sheet. Okay, far away, dispersed. Okay, so these are the three types of the settlement pattern and three types of the drainage pattern. Okay, hope it is all clear to you all. We will see the next topic in our next video. Thank you so much. Till then, take care. Bye bye.